What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Menteri rangba ke Jyllam Conrad ki sangma hakalai potrik nailur ula Pynskhem biang baka sorkar Jyllam kayeng persya hakabaya day baka jingti Uranium ha Meghalaya da kabakular ru banyakren baka sorkar pedeng hakabaya day berka office memorandum bapenmi dangshen da Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change hadin bada bishar bania halor ka jingpen syong an iakren ni khang. Ka memorandum ka batarwa ban penlong shu ya ka jinga selok pajba ba jingpen sengo pajba ne public hearing halor ki project ki baya de ba jingti ya ki marpo khndo ba kongsan ne atomic mineral kum o uranium klawan ra ka jingso kya ka bajur hapdeng ki nong shong snong ga jela namar ki ni ki bentai ki long ki ba kongsan bha ya ka environmental impact assessment EIE kum ka sorkar ngilapan pau shai bha ya ka nongrim ba ki brio jongi ba ki kinhun ba pher but wat ka sorkar ru kam ku asatya banti uranium ha ka jela ngilapan pau shai kedar ya kani bat ngilapan pau ru ha ka ba shai bat nga bateng ru ban kren biang menta ha ka ba pau ong ukonran ha ba kren shai kilat thai kubor menteri rangba ulapan pau ka jingsung kya ka bajur halor kani ka jingpen bana da ka bapan pau ba watla pat syong bishar bania pura ya kani ka OM Hendrei ula ong baya kani ka kam dan kam ya ka jing bishar bania da kilenti jong ka an da ka bapan syong nongrim naka e ka bang yoi min sapan ka jingpen sya naka sorkar India habadan kam ngan saya keren ru ba ka sorkar India hagi kerdan bapher bat ban pentiknai kila jingada naka benta ka baha kamiat ki brio jongi ula kular kumta ka de ka jingba khli jong ka sorkar bala dangi syam hangno baki dan ki an ne ki jingpen bana ki baya persya ya ka baha kamiat jong ki brio jongi kade ka kamram jong ka sorkar banyak keren ya ka ne ka kam bat ka sorkar pedeng bat nga kular syaki pajba ka jela bangin yang ringkat bat ki pajba halor ka ne ka man banrap menteri rangba.
As a government, we have made our stand very clear that our people and our community and stakeholders, we have always stated, even as a government, that we are not in favor of mining of uranium. We are very, very, very clear on that. And we've made this statement very openly, and I'm making it open now also. Number two, I've not gone through the entire details of what the notification. In general, I have, but these are very serious matters, and hence it requires proper legal scrutiny. So we are going through that. And based on what we see, we will seek clarification from Government of India. And as and when required, I will take up the matter with Government of India at different levels and ensure that the interest of our people is protected. So therefore, this is a responsibility of our government, and if we find anywhere that there is any particular law or any particular notification that goes against the interests of our people, it is a duty of the government to take up that matter with the center. And I can assure you and assure the people of the state that we will be standing with the people on this issue, and we will take up the matter once we have seen the entire legal aspect of it and the impact of this. And once we are clear, we will move to Delhi, and if necessary, as I said, we'll take up the matter at the highest level.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.